As our application grows and becomes more complex, we need mechanisms for splitting programs up into separate blocks that can be imported when needed. Modules allows us to organize our code by breaking it up into separate files. We can then reuse parts of a module from another one, which makes creating and maintaining complex apps easier. We can use various types of module syntax in TypeScript. Let's review them. ES module syntax is the more widely used. In ES module syntax, a file can declare a main export via export default. This export can be used in another file via the import syntax. To use the modules in the playground, we need to export it to Code Sandbox. For each module, you need to create the necessary file. For example, hello.ts for the module hello. Copy and paste the content and save the file with Ctrl S. Then show the console to see the result. Save the index module. See the result in the console. Here you have it, export-import in action. In addition to the default export, you can have more than one export of variables and functions via the export by omitting default. You can take all of the exported objects and put them into a single namespace using asterisk as and a name. You can import a file and not include any variables into your current module via the import of the file itself. Here the imported module is evaluated before importing it. An import can be renamed using a format like import old name as new name. This can help avoiding ambiguities. In TypeScript ES module syntax, types can be exported and imported using the same syntax as JavaScript values. TypeScript has extended the import syntax for declaring the export and the import of a type. TypeScript 4.5 and newer versions allows us for individual imports to be prefixed with type to indicate that the imported reference is a type. Command.js is the format which most modules on NPM are delivered in. Even if you are writing using the ES module syntax, having a brief understanding of how Command.js syntax works will help you debug easier. Identifiers are exported via setting the export property on a global called module. Then, these files can be imported via the require statement. To deep dive into modules, follow this link.